Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks for freelancers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your freelancing game, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 tips and tricks that can help you succeed as a freelancer. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Finding your niche. Tip number 1, find your niche. Discover what you're truly passionate about and specialize in that area. By focusing on a specific niche, you'll be able to position yourself as an expert in that field and attract clients who are looking for your unique skills and expertise. Building a strong portfolio. Tip number 2, build a strong portfolio. Showcase your best work to potential clients by creating an online portfolio or a website. Include samples that highlight your skills and demonstrate the value you can bring to their projects. A well-curated portfolio will make a lasting impression and increase your chances of landing high-quality gigs. Effective networking. Tip number 3, network effectively. Connect with other professionals in your industry, attend conferences, join online communities, and engage in conversations. Networking not only helps you build relationships but also opens doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Setting clear boundaries. Tip number 4, set clear boundaries. As a freelancer, it's important to establish clear boundaries with your clients regarding project scope, timelines, and communication channels. By setting expectations up front, you'll minimize misunderstandings and ensure a smoother working relationship. Time management. Tip number 5, master time management. Create a schedule, set deadlines, and prioritize your tasks. Use productivity tools and techniques to stay organized and focused. Efficient time management will help you meet deadlines, deliver quality work, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Continuous learning. Tip number 6, embrace continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest trends, technologies, and industry standards. Invest in your professional development by taking courses, attending webinars, and reading relevant books. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the more valuable you become as a freelancer. Effective communication. Tip number 7, master effective communication. Clear and timely communication is key to successful freelancing. Be prompt in responding to client inquiries, actively listen to their needs, and provide regular project updates. Good communication builds trust and fosters long-term client relationships. Pricing your services. Tip number 8, price your services strategically. Research the market rates for your niche and consider factors such as your experience, expertise, and the value you provide. Don't undervalue your work, but also be competitive. Finding the right balance will attract clients who appreciate your worth. Building a strong online presence. Tip number 9, build a strong online presence. Leverage social media platforms, create engaging content, and actively participate in relevant communities. Establish yourself as a thought leader by sharing valuable insights and building a reputable personal brand. Client relationships and feedback. Lastly, tip number 10, nurture client relationships and seek feedback. Deliver exceptional work, exceed expectations, and ask for feedback from your clients. Not only will this help you improve, but positive testimonials and referrals can also bring in new clients. And there you have it, 10 valuable tips and tricks for freelancers. By implementing these strategies into your freelance journey, you'll be well on your way to achieving success and building a thriving freelance career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Until next time, happy freelancing. Hi users, explore Freelancer for ideas about micro niches. Don't forget to follow us on social media for daily updates and behind the scenes content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.